Hey YouTubers, how you doing? We're gonna do a video today, and this is something awesome. This is I got a friend of mine opened up a business, and she's been in the pool business for I know over 30 years, around that period. And she does the local area, Chesterfield, Virginia, but she opens up pools, does the pool pumps, the whole 9 yards. I mean, it's just awesome. And she has a van. Y'all, you ain't gonna believe this. It is like a pool store, a mobile pool store. Salt, anything you gotta do, chemicals, this and that. And she's reasonable, reliable. I mean, the best pool lady I've ever met. I mean, I'm just saying. I mean, it's good stuff. But here's a car. Now I'm gonna show you a bigger picture of the side on the van. But it's E&E Pool Services. And Jamie Frasier. There's a number and all that good stuff, and website, and it's on Facebook too. But she's awesome. Let's see, get a little closer up. But it's like a mobile pool store. That's what I call it. And she's awesome. Good work. All right, let's go check out the van. I mean the side. I'll let you see the big view of the number and everything. All right. Okay, we'll be back, and then we'll show you some work and everything she did for me. She had her placed the top part of the pump on my sand filter and all. She did all the plumbing, this and that, and she's honest. Like I said, whatever you think, Jamie, and she does it. And she had everything. You didn't have to order anything. It was in stock. It was awesome. I mean, awesome experience. Happy customer. All right, this is a shout out video, you know. All right, I'm gonna show you the van. All right, I mean, just the emblem on the service. All right, here we go. Okay, folks, here we go. Here's the side of the van. It's E&E Pool Service, and there's the number right there, and there's the website right there. Don't get any better than that. It's like a mobile pool store, and she's awesome. We'll get to meet her and her mother helps her, Brenda, and she's an awesome lady, and they're awesome people. They do good work. That's that's a shout out to them. But we'll meet them here shortly. All right, I just want to show you that. But she has all the pool stuff in there, and I'm not going to show you any of that kind of stuff. But her secret goodies, what she does to fix the pools and service them, and water testing, all that good stuff. All right, we'll be back for some more. Okay, folks. Well, here are the awesome people of E&E Pool Service. That's Jamie Frasier, the owner.
Hello.
And that is Brenda, her mama. She's Brenda Grant. She is awesome. Well, here we go. We're going to show y'all what she replaced today and all that good stuff.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We are out here replacing some plumbing and a multi-port valve we had to get on the filter. We had a couple leaks, a little bit of an older multi-port valve. So basically we installed a new valve on top, and we upgraded the plumbing from the pump to the filter and made it a little bit easier for future maintenance, whether it be sand changes, with some quick disconnects here, so we don't have to go back in and recut the plumbing, and put in some PVC that's a little bit more tolerable to the weather and will hold out longer being outside. So
yeah, there we go, y'all. I mean, it's like I say, look at that pretty beautiful work they did. But y'all got the number here again. Best. Oh, here you go. E&E Pools. So yeah, give them a call. I mean, they do water testing, clean your pool out, opening and closing your pool. any kind of maintenance or anything you got, just give them a holler. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Brenda.
Thank you.
And anyway, y'all, let me get on in here. Anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Look them up. They do the best work in Chesterfield, Virginia. Awesome, awesome folks. Y'all take care now. This is KVUSMC. Over and out. Hoorah.